Stop using intensifiers like very in your sentences. It's a grievous mistake. Let me show you what I mean. Have a look at these two sentences. The very large tree was cut down. The monstrous tree was cut down. Which sentence is more powerful? The second one. This is because the word very in the first sentence sounds boring and doesn't give enough information to tell your reader anything new. But the word monstrous in the second sentence not only adds an additional detail, but also paints a fascinating mental picture of the tree, which makes it interesting to read. Let's look at another sentence. My mother was very angry at our loud neighbor. My mother was furious at our loud neighbor. The sentence with furious gives us a vivid idea of how angry the speaker's mother was. Using intensifiers like very is a lazy way of writing. It doesn't pique the reader's interest. If you want to write powerfully, ditch the intensifiers and use precise words or stronger adjectives that will make your reader sit up and pay attention, like in this playlist here, where you will find engaging and positive adjectives to enliven your writing. We also included each word's origin to make it easy to remember.